Let's begin by looking at the InTouch Application Manager. We'll start the InTouch Application Manager from the Start menu under All Programs, Wonderware. Click InTouch. Now InTouch begins with a wizard which allows you to configure where on the hard drive all your applications will be stored, which we'll leave at the default location, and then Finish. And the InTouch Application Manager opens. Here in the list you can see 3 demo applications which come standard with the product at 3 different resolutions. At the top of InTouch Application Manager is the ability to create a new application. In addition, if you select an application from the list, it enables tools such as the ability to launch the development environment called Window Maker or the test or runtime environment called Window Viewer. There's also tools in here to search the hard drive for additional applications, to publish applications, and to backup and restore applications as well. We'll create a brand new InTouch application by clicking the New Application button at the top of the InTouch Application Manager. This launches the Create New Application dialog box, providing us with 2 fundamental paths for development. The legacy InTouch application is a flat file, folder-based application which supports only the legacy graphics. This is in place to allow backwards compatibility and support for original InTouch application design. The second option supports all of the features of the legacy application, meaning complete backwards compatibility, but adds the ability to take advantage of Orchestra graphics, which are the newer modern enhanced graphics allowing you to save on tags and a number of other features available only with the newer graphic capabilities. We're going to choose the modern InTouch application for this demo, so we'll click Next. The first option here is the location on the hard drive where your application will be stored, and you'll notice there's a checkbox to allow you to set that as the default directory, which we'll do for all future applications, and click Next. Here's where we can provide a name for our application. We'll call this Intro to InTouch, and click Next. And we'll repeat the same thing for these as descriptions, and click Finish. And this will begin the process of creating our application. Through the magic of video, we'll skip ahead to the end of this process. The creation process has concluded, and now our application appears here in the InTouch Application Manager with additional details such as the path to the application, details about its resolution and version, and the fact that it is a modern application type. This concludes our demo of the InTouch Application Manager. Specifically, Application Manager is used to create and delete InTouch applications, manage InTouch applications by starting Window Maker and Window Viewer, or making changes to the application name or description, publish InTouch applications, export and import InTouch tag name dictionary using dbdump and dbload. Distribute applications to the production environment using node properties to configure network application distribution, or NAD. And backup and restore InTouch applications using application export and import. InTouch applications can be easily distributed to runtime production nodes using Network Application Distribution, or NAD. Each runtime station is configured to pull a copy of the application from a central location on the network. When the application design is finished and ready for distribution, the designer uses a feature of the software to notify clients, and each runtime node on the plant floor copies the application and starts the application automatically.